Welcome to MarineMax Rogers Minnesota. I'm Jason Chapman, and today we're taking a look at a brand new 2023 Sea Ray SPX 190. Beautiful boat here. We've got the black hull bottom and the white upper. This boat does come with the trailer here, and then we also have the bimini top as well. Taking a look at the swim platform here, we've got a big area here with a submersible swim step that does deploy into the water. We have the stainless steel ladder as well. It's a nice 4-step into the boat. And this is powered by a 200 horsepower MerCruiser. Let's hop up inside and check out some of the features. All right, welcome inside this SPX 190. Starting here back at the stern, we have a nice big entryway into the boat. This compartment right here does have a cooler and for your battery switch. Underneath here is going to be your engine compartment. Again, this is a 4.5 liter 200 MerCruiser, and we got plenty of storage on the other side as well. This has a nice spot here to sit if you're anchored away. And then the upholstery, it's got the stone upholstery and then the gray sea decking right there. This is glued down onto the boat. And then as we walk inside here, great feature on these boats is a built-in insulated cooler. And then we've got more storage underneath here, usually for your fenders, dock lines, shoes, things like that. And this boat does have the upgraded upholstery here, stainless steel components. We have the two bucket seats here, both captain and co-captain, with flip-up bolsters. And then a big area underneath here for a ski locker to store all your accessories that you're going to be having with you on the water. And then up at the helm, tilt steering wheel. We have the Fusion audio, great sound quality on these boats, and then your standard tacks and gauges up here at the helm. More storage underneath this compartment. Right now we just have the cover underneath there that does come with the boat, and then a recessed glove box here. And then walking into the bow, got seating on either side, and then we also have a cushion here that pops out. It makes it easy to get to and from the bow without stepping on all your upholstery, and then a spot for an anchor. This boat is located here at our store in Rogers. Feel free to walk in, make an appointment, give us a call. We'd love to show you around. Thanks.